Personality refers to individual differences in characteristics, patterns of thinking, feeling, and behaving. The word personality stems from the Latin word persona, which refers to a theoretical marks owned by performers in order to either project different roles or distinguish their identities. According to Alport, personality is the dynamic organization within the individual of those psychophysical systems that determine his unique adjustment to his environment. According to Barger, personality can be defined as the consistent behavior patterns and intrapersonal processes originating within the individual. Our personality involves traits like loyalty, perfectionism, and extroversion. Character, which includes our core beliefs and ethical codes. Temperament, which we were born with and involves our predisposition to act and feel in certain ways. So what is personality trait? Personality traits are characteristics patterns in how we think, feel, and act. People can develop certain traits on a sliding scale, with some traits more intense and dominant than others. Some common examples of personality traits include generosity, extroversion, loyalty, courage, honesty, arrogance, etc. Now, how does personality develop? Different research suggests that we are not simply born with certain patterns and traits, rather they develop over time. Our personality is not immutable and unchanging. Our personality can be influenced by genes, biology, life experiences, adverse events we have faced, community and culture, early bonds, rising styles, etc. There are a number of theories about personality development, and most theories emphasize that early childhood experiences are key in this process. No single personality theory is correct. There are different ways of looking at and researching what personality is. Some common theories of personality include: first, psychodynamic theories. Psychodynamic personality theories are based on some of the Sigmund Freud's work, particularly the idea that yourself involves three aspects: the id, the ego, and the superego. Freud also theorized that early childhood experiences have a profound impact on how our personality develops and the possibility of living with mental health condition. Later research by Carl Jung and Erik Erikson built on and challenged certain aspects of Freud's theories. Jung and Erikson's work contributed greatly to psychodynamic theories of personality. Trait theories focuses on the idea that we all share personality traits but fall on different points of a spectrum. A well-known trait theory is the five-factor theory, also known as the Big Five, proposed by Donald W. Fisk. Fisk proposed that human personality involved five traits: agreeableness, conscientiousness, extraversion, neuroticism, openness to experience. Each person experiences these traits at some level. For example, we can be a high on extroversion but low on neuroticism, while our sibling may be the opposite. Biological theories of personality focuses on the physiological factors that affect our personality. These theories propose that physical characteristics like brain structure can determine how personality develops. Behaviorist theories study how our personality is shaped by rewards and punishment from our environment. Being rewarded for certain behaviors and punished for others can condition us to behave and think in a certain way. Humanistic theories of personality propose that our own self-perception, in other words, who we think we are, can determine our personality. A humanistic theory was proposed by Abraham Maslow, who created Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Maslow suggested that our personality is the result of meeting or not our most basic needs. Another humanistic theory was proposed by Carl Rogers, who suggested that we are driven by our need for self-actualization. Our personality is then determined by our pursuit of personal growth and improvement. Personality quizzes and tests aims to identify and categorize our personality traits or characteristics. Common personality traits include Meyer-Briggs type of indicator, that is MBTI, the Minnesota Multiphasic Personality Inventory, Enneagram theory, etc. Do personality tests work? While many people find personality testing to be insightful, some of the tests like MBTI and Enneagram are not backed by research. Testing personality is difficult. Most personality tests rely on self-reporting. The result of our test depends on factors like our own awareness, self-perception, and honesty. In some cases, our mood, which is not a part of our personality, can affect the answer we provide. However, some personality tests, including online quizzes, can still provide us with an appropriate for self-reflection. This might be valuable and thought-provoking in itself. Now, can personality be changed over time? While many may suspect that people's personalities are fixed in childhood, new research suggests that most people's personalities evolve throughout their lives. While personality traits are relatively stable over time, they can often gradually change across the lifespan. Many studies show that most adults become more agreeable, conscientious, and emotionally resilient as they age. Personality disorder. It is a type of mental disorder in which you have a rigid and unhealthy pattern of thinking, functioning, and behaving. A person with a personality disorder has a trouble perceiving and relating to situations and people. American Psychological Association's Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorder groups personality disorder into 3 distinct categories, and that are Cluster A, Cluster B, and Cluster C. Now try this.